Now we are discussing 9th class, 8th chapter, quadrilaterals, exercise 8.2, third problem. In a quadrilateral ABCD, the bisectors of angle C and angle D intersect at O. Prove that angle COD equal to half into angle A plus angle B. Now any quadrilateral we have to take here. Suppose I am taking here solution C. Here any quadrilateral I am taking here. Any quadrilateral A, B, C, D and A. So now here bisectors of angle C and angle D. Bisectors means here this one I am taking here bisector, and this one I am taking another bisector, D angle D bisector. This both intersect. This both intersect at the point O. At the point O. Okay. Now we have to prove angle COD equal to half into angle A plus angle B. So here see given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral. Next CO is angle bisector of angle C, and next DO is angle bisector of angle D. Bisector means what? Divide into two equal parts. This one equal, and these two and these two equal. Bisectors divide the angle into two equal parts. Okay. Now see I am taking here any quadrilateral ABCD. We know angles and property of a quadrilateral. Sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. So we can write here angle A plus angle D, angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degrees. Sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Now see here which one is there here? Angle A and angle B. Here then you transport that side. This both I am transporting that side. I am writing this one here. See here which one is there here? Angle C plus angle D equal to 360 minus this one, and both I am sending that side. Means here plus become a minus. Here also plus become a minus. So I am writing minus of angle A plus angle B I am writing. So minus I am taking common. Minus into angle A, minus A, minus into plus minus angle B. Now see here 1 by 2 is there, na? 1 by 2. So now we have to divide every term with 2 or multiply 1 by 2, otherwise divide both sides with 2. So here I am doing here angle C plus angle D by 2 equal to here 360 minus angle A plus angle B by 2.8. Now see here by 2 means separate you apply here. Angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2. Angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to here 360 by 2. 360 by 2 minus, here we can write here 1 by 2 into angle A plus angle B. Now this one you write it here. Angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to we can cancel na 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 0, 180. So 180 minus 1 by 2 into angle A plus angle B. You take this one as the equation number 1. Okay. Now see, here I am taking here see, this in triangle COD I am taking. In triangle COD, so sum of these three angles is equal to sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, I am applying that one here. So in triangle COD, we can write here what we have to write. See here, angle COD, angle COD plus angle here, which one is that? See, then angle OCD, angle OCD plus next angle ODC, this one angle ODC, angle ODC equal to 180 degrees. Now see here, this angle COD, you write it as this angle COD plus angle OCD. OCD means what here? This is the both are equal parts only na. OCD means we can write na. This C of 2 means you are getting the this one. So here we can write here angle C by 2 plus next this one also. This is the angle bisector. It divided into two equal parts. We can write here this part means here angle D by 2. Angle D by 2 equal to 180. Okay. Now see, we can write here this one. Here which one is there? Angle COD, you transport that side. Okay. This one here only I am writing here. Angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to, here I am transporting that side here. 180 here only there here. Plus angle COD that side means it become minus into angle COD. Okay. Now see, here we can write now here angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2. Angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to which one is there? Replace of this one we can write now. This one, replace of this one. You write it here. 180 minus 1 by 2. Okay. This place I am writing here. Which one you got here? This one. Angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to this one. So I am writing this one. 180. Now see here what you got, angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to 180 minus angle COD we got. So here this one, from 1 we can write now angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to this one we can write now. Write it, replace of this one, you write it this one. 180 minus 1 by 2 into angle A plus angle B equal to this one as it is right. 180 minus angle COD here. Now here come means it become here 180 is there, plus 180. Here come means it become a minus 180 only na. So 180 180 we can cancel here. Now here minus COD is there. You take and come here. It become minus become a plus, angle COD equal to this minus 1 by 2 into angle A plus angle B become a plus 1 by 2 into angle A plus angle B we can write. So this one you write, how we wrote this one? From 1 you write. Since here from 1. Hence proved.